Yes.
You have? Yes.
I wanted to seek clarification on the issue of the this wealth, the net wealth, your worth. You said 100 million, but you don't give us details of what the 100 million. No, you have been a member of parliament for 2 terms. Mortgage alone is 40 million. I can help you. Car grant was 50 million. So what is the? Can give us the 100 million is for what and which land, which thing?
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. I think for Mheshimiwa Junet, yes, I was a member for parliament for 2 terms. And whatever I was getting, I think it was for my consumption. And
Aisha, what he's asking
yes.
is not an unfair question. You are worth 100.
Yes.
A plot, 10 million, a house, 30 million, something else,
Oh, yeah.
20 million.
I was coming to that.
So if you have that tabulation, that's what he's asking.
Okay.
And
so I'm worth 100 million. I have a house in Malindi and in Nairobi. Those 2 combined are 85 million, and the rest are side hustles. I'm a hustler.
Yeah, I know, but what is the side hustle you're doing?
There might be so many things, Madam Junet. Side hustles, I mean.
No, you see, Madam, see as nominee, the figure that you've given is on record.
Yes.
We have shared with the committee. You have attached it to your document. So it is good for you to clarify that the house in Malindi and the one in Nairobi are 85. The other 15 is what? Is it a motorcycle? Because hustlers use motorcycle. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, Mr. Chairman. Yes, I have a car too, and the rest was my salaries, which I stopped earning on September.
What you'll do, Aisha, is if your tabulation is not complete, you will complete it and forward to the Secretariat.
Thank you,
The
Mr.
value
Chairman.
of your house in Nairobi, the house in Malindi, the motorcycle, the car, and whatever else that you have, you can put them together. Let's take the last batch.
Yeah, but having known each other for long, will I be in order to tell her that I know maybe she has forgotten? The figure might be higher than that. We have known each other for
You know, Honorable Junet, if you want to declare interest, there is a proper way of doing so. Mokikaria, who has not had an opportunity to ask any question to the nominee.
Asante.